Good job.
What is up, Speedcubers? It's competition day. Surprisingly, I'm not even feeling nervous. We're on our way to Centurion. Last time I competed was 2019, that was 6 years ago now. And yeah, here we are today. So let's see what kind of results we can get from today's competition. I'm feeling fresh today, so hopefully I get some 20. Average of 5. Let's get it. That's the goal for today, ladies and gents. Not to win the entire competition or even to get podium, which would be unrealistic for me, at least at this stage. But this competition was hosted at the Centurion Hotel over a 2-day weekend, which was so dope because the staff there was just super kind, and the venue came with so many cool amenities like this chill area with an infinity pool and this huge outdoor TV which came in real handy between breaks. Now, like most competitions, this one started off light with events like Mega Minx and Square One and 3x3 one-handed, which I got peer pressured into competing in. So don't judge the horrendous souls you're about to watch. You've been warned. First time competing for OH. Don't even practice it.
12 seconds.
Slow motion. Is that 1 minute?
Yeah.
Better than I expected. So that's 2:20.
Thought you were going to have it way less than a minute. Good practice.
Clearly I don't practice. Ready. How do you do this?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
That consultant's thing. Because I don't know any algorithms in one hand. Yep, like I said, I don't practice OH, nor was I intending on competing in it, but you know what, I did better than I expected. I was very intentional about not eating heavy before competing, so I only had a banana for breakfast because I needed all the brain power I could get. Now in this shot, I decided to stand by this koi fish pond at the hotel and just watch what happens. Yeah, I couldn't get the whole disaster on video because survival skills, but man, I swear that Jet 2 Holiday song is really cursed. Anyway, back to the video. Now it is time for the first round of 3x3, and I realized that the timer wasn't even on, so a word of advice, always check your timer before solving. It's not on. It's not on my actual shooting. At 12 feet. Ready?
You ready?
Ready. 8 seconds. 12 seconds.
Yes! Now I got a Carmen 16. Dude, that's a BB.
Such a good run.
Instead of BB, it was this. Did you get 2 BBs and 2 souls? Yeah, I did it right. No. That's weird. Right. Okay, that's like insanely fast. I think you could. Yeah. Good job.
That's my PR in competition. Ready? Another good scramble. Ready? And there goes my goal for sub 20. I mean, I was so close, literally 0.02 seconds away. At this point, I was starting to doubt whether I'd even make it to the next round, but a quick check on WCA Live reaffirmed me. Ready?
8 seconds.
Also, if you haven't realized yet, my strategy for the comp was slow solves. Slow is steady and steady is fast. But on this day, I had one problem. Handles ready. Thank you. Ready. Ready? That's good. Ready? Thank you. Ready?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know if that's slow.
Do you think I'll make it to the final? Real?
Yeah.
I hope so.
I hope so.
Yeah, I didn't make it to the final, but my goal was accomplished. 19.61 PR average. And even though I didn't make it to the final, I was a judge for the final competitors, so enjoy these speed solves.
Dude.
I think that's PR.
Seconds.
Okay, then finally over to 3x3. And again, I think this is the first competition that I've attended that does not feature Ruben or Osman on the podium, which I think is a great testimony to the younger guys coming through. So in third place with the PR average of 8.35, Eirik Skipper. In second place, with an average, sub-8 average, which is crazy, 7.98, Jandra Jacobs. And in first place, beating Jandra by 0.3 seconds, with an average of 7.68, your champion for the weekend, Siobhan.
Thanks to the Centurion Hotel for hosting this event, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.